Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Gear and Guitars with Mel. As always, I am Mel. So what we're here for today is a little revisitation of my Harley Benton CST24T in Paradise Flame. Now, you can look at this guitar and see that I've done some stuff to it. Okay, we got some aesthetic changes as far as colors. What I did do is replace the pickups with a set of, I believe, GFS antique fat pats, or just the fat pats. I forget. It's one of them. It was the higher end one. We got some better saddles going on this bridge because I love this style of bridge. It's that style out of Maryland, which obviously this whole guitar is wanting to be a part of. Pretty normal setup back here. Really nice block comes in these bad boys, and it's a pretty good quick connect setup rocking in there. This is fully set neck, mahogany body. There is a maple veneer, but that is just a maple veneer. So if you're thinking tones, maybe say an older Les Paul Light that doesn't really have the maple top, or something that's all mahogany with some PAF-ish stuff in it. So that's the instrument we're using today, and what we're going to be doing is getting some tones from the Dark Messenger from StonegateFx. You'll notice that mine says the Mel Drive, and that's because Igor's a good guy and he hooked me up. He enabled my narcissism. But it is the same germanium chipped Dallas Arbiter, basically. You know, it's a range master, but with his tweaks and his way of putting it together, it's pretty sick. So I'm going to be cutting everything off of my pedal board, and we're just going to go right into the Marshall with the Dark Messenger.